Hello, my name is John Davis, and this is a word of encouragement for the day. And I want to talk about motivation, and I want to talk about discipline. Motivation is when you are driven to accomplish something, and especially around the first part of the year, we create goals and we are motivated to get those goals done. One of your goals might be to read more from the scripture, and I have a copy here. And many of us get into the first 4 or 5 or 6 days, and then we kind of miss a day. We miss a day here, we miss a day there. We lose our motivation to do that. And some of us have goals around physical exercise, where we're going to get on the treadmill, or we're going to do weights, or do these different things. We're motivated in the first part of the year, but we know that there comes a point as we get into that process where the motivation goes away. And what happens then? And that's where discipline comes in. Discipline is where you've made a decision at some point in the past that says, I'm going to do this no matter what. I'm making a commitment to myself that regardless of how I feel, I'm going to continue on with this because it's the right thing to do. The best decision you can make that leads to discipline is a decision that's rooted in a core value of what you know to be true about yourself, about the world, about how God has created you. So for example, if you know that your body is a temple, that your body is this incredible thing that God has created and you're supposed to take care of it, now you root that decision in this fact that, hey, I'm being a good steward of what God has created. Now when you come to that place where you're not motivated, you can be disciplined because you know that this is the right thing to do. I want to share this word before we conclude our time. The Apostle Paul saw himself, I think, in a very healthy way, and I think it's a way we need to see ourselves as well. Let me read this verse to you, and I'll explain what I mean. 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 10 says, "But by the grace of God, I am what I am, and his grace towards me was not in vain. On the contrary, I worked harder than any of them, though it was not I, but the grace of God that is with me." In other words, we're called to work hard, and he saw himself as working harder than anyone. But I want you to hear this. Although we're called to work hard, we need to remember we're a work in progress. And anything we do and anything we accomplish, it's by God's grace that we do that. God bless you. I hope you have a great day. And if you would, like and share this so that others can receive this word of encouragement as well. Bye-bye.